Business owners, don't miss out. I'm revealing the top 5 AI features to integrate into your mobile app for exponential growth. Imagine your app suggesting the perfect product before the user even searches for it. AI-driven personalized recommendations increase user engagement and sales. Ever wished you could offer 24/7 customer support without the cost? AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant, efficient customer service, enhancing user satisfaction. Want to know what your users want before they do? AI's predictive analytics can dig into user behavior to forecast trends and needs, keeping you a step ahead. How cool would it be if your app could understand voice commands and recognize images? AI's image and voice recognition features make your app more interactive and accessible. Worried about security? AI's fraud detection capabilities monitor transactions in real time, ensuring your app remains safe and trustworthy. Integrate these AI features in your app with Appnality and watch your app turn into user delight. My name is Max, and I'm here to tell you all about latest technology trends. Hit follow for more expert advice on AI and mobile apps powered by Appnality.